Hey, Síomha here. Welcome to my Patreon. This is a place where my creative partner Martin and I will give you insight into the realm of infinite space and beyond. Patreon allows us to continue to create while giving you an insight into how we do what we do. Seeing the response to the music we've released, we've realised that between us we have so much to offer. We have loads of exclusive content for you each month, including tutorials, early demos, new works in progress, live performances, behind the scenes footage, and even a podcast where we go deep on exploring infinite space and beyond. In today's world, being an independent artist is really, really hard, but being a community-supported artist is the best chance that we have to keep doing what we're doing. Your contribution each month allows us to cover some of our basic needs like rent and living costs while we focus on making art.